Good evening, guys. Welcome to IFA Investment Fund at midnight. Today, I want to talk to you guys about a couple of things happening in the cryptocurrency world. You know that I like to give these tutorials on kucoin and how to trade, maybe some strategies, maybe some futures, maybe some margin. Today, we're going to talk about some futures on kucoin, like we always do. But now they added more coins that you could trade futures with. And I want to talk to you guys about two cryptocurrencies that are in the up and up. And big things are happening within 45 days to about four months. The first coin I want to talk to you about is Theta. Theta, you could do futures on it, on kucoin. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the whole process. But before I start, I want to show you what Theta is about. Theta mainnet is 3.0. Will be coming out in 42 days. Here's people who hold nodes. Here's the Edge node, Guardian node, Enterprise Validator node. I believe you need some coins in order to have a node. Maybe 1,000, maybe 100. It all depends. You got to check it out yourself. But this is what I want to show you. The big enterprises that are involved in Theta. One that is missing from here, besides Google, Sony, Samsung, Binance, Blockchain, and Gummy, is NASA. They just launched the rover to Mars, and it was streamed through Theta. Very interesting. Theta is going to be a coin where we're going to have more bandwidth in the system. We won't be slowed down by the internet. That's what Theta is about. We will not be slowed down by the internet. So going back to kucoin, the other coin that I want to talk to you about is Ethereum. In June, there's going to be a program coming out. It's called the IEP 1559. And what that does is they're going to start burning Ethereum for every transaction that is put up in the blockchain. So that means that it's going to combat inflation on the coins. We're not talking about the legacy markets here. Meaning the more Ethereum that they burn, the higher the price. A lot of miners are not going to be happy because they're not going to make as much money as they were making before. But overall, it's going to be a good thing that they're going to start burning some coins. Having said that, I want to tell you that you could do a lot of things with the coins now. You could lend them, you could borrow them, you could stake them, where you earn rewards for processing transactions. There's so many things you could do, and you could hedge with futures, which I'm going to show you in a minute. These two coins, Theta and Ethereum, are something that I'm going to look into trading for the next couple of months because they're very interesting to me. They have a usage, they have a utility, and that's what's important in the cryptocurrency markets. Let's see how the markets are doing today. I know Bitcoin went up to 55.5 and it's up there. But let's check how Bitcoin is doing today. Binance Coin still on the rise, kucoin on the rise, Atom on the rise, ADA on the rise, Luna dash. Everything else is coming along. kucoin have a lot of coins. Let's see what's going on in DeFi. Here we up. Let's see what's going on in alts. kucoin, EOS, Litecoin. Came back down from 205. Okay. So we see the markets. Let's go back to assets. My assets. Let's go to the trading account. I already bought some Theta before, but what I want now is to play futures. I bought 1 Theta. So let's go here. Let's trade some Bitcoins for USDT. Let me take out this Theta here. Let me see something. Let's just click on Theta. Theta's coming back down. It's under the moving averages. Well, as long as it stay above 537, I'm okay. I won't get out. But it gotta stay here. Any lower than that, I don't want it. I get out, try to get cheaper. And this is on the 1 minute chart. So actually, I don't know if it's gonna come down to here, but no. Take the 30 minute on Theta. Okay, so above the moving averages. Over here, what we got? The 5, the 10, and the 30. Fine. It doesn't really matter. I like to do the 20 and the 200. Maybe the 50. I'll change that later. But we could still trade with this. This is just an indicator. As long as it's above my moving averages, I'm okay. If it gets below it, it's not okay. As long as it's above it, we could trade. Over here, your stop loss should be at the low. So at 530, if you're going to trade it. If it gets under 530, you get out. Stop loss at 530. You can entry any place here. You can entry any place. 544, 536, 520, 527. And your stop loss 520 right here. At the low. That's my stop loss. Right at the dotted line. Let's move quickly. Let's go get some USDT. Let's see Bitcoin. Bitcoin, okay, look. Staying above my line. This is a pin bar. It's below the moving averages, but at least it's telling me this is a bottom. I want this graph to stay above my line. And that's that red line that I put from here to here. That's the trend line. The trend is your friend. So as long as this validates itself here, we okay. We don't want it under the line. We want it to stay above the line. So it's perfect. And that's Bitcoin, USDT. Bitcoin right now is 53,660. And the high is 55.5. 55,683. That's the high. Let's see if it gets back up there on a circular motion, going like this. Listen, as long as my trend line is obeyed, I'm happy. So let's go here. Let's go market. Let's go sell all the Bitcoins that I have. You know what? Let's do $6. Let's do half of my Bitcoin. Let's sell half of my Bitcoins. So we could get some USDT. Let's go back to assets. So I had $12 worth of Bitcoin. Now I got $6 worth of Bitcoin. The rest I have in USDT. I could buy 1 Tether with these Bitcoins. With USDT. Because you only could buy Tether with USDT. You can buy Tether with Bitcoin. It says it right here, Tether USDT. But I already have enough. I got 6. I got 100 somewhere else that I bought at 280. Otherwise, I'm just gonna little by little start collecting these here. Little by little. I only got 6. They cost $5 now, so they're a little expensive. So I don't want to go spread myself too thin. Now that I have some USDT, let's transfer this to the futures market. Let's go to the futures. Let's do this quickly because I got 4 minutes left. I already have USDT. Let's deposit USDT from hold on. Let's go to trade. Let's go to light. Alright, here we got ETH, USDT. We're gonna trade ETH, so we're in the perfect spot. Let's go to deposit transfer. From trading account to futures, or $6.49. Confirm. Now I have USDT and I want to get into this contract. Let's move faster. Okay, it's going up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it really easy and we're going to do Ethereum USDT. So I'm going to put $6 on this. Let's do it. We could do, or let's change this to 3. We add more later. And let's do 25x. Alright, my leverage is too high to control the risk. Let's go lower. Right there. And let's go with Ethereum long. Boom. Predicted execution. Right there long. Let's put my trading account password. And I'm failed. See? I got 1 contract. $180 USDT, holding amount 181, and I'm down a penny. This is just for show. Let's put a stop loss on it. Click here. I'm gonna take profit, 100% profits, and I'm gonna lose 10%. That's it. So this is my take profit, and this is my stop loss. 1786 is 1802. So you got to go to 86 so I could get stopped out. It's above it now. We okay. And 1983 is where I take my profit at 100%. So that's how we do this. Let's come here. Let's do some Theta too. You know, see what happens. Let's do some Theta. What's the Theta? Can we find Theta? I don't see any Theta. So let's go to Pro. So you can see it here better. Right now I have an Ethereum 1 lot. I'm down 1%. And here's my take profit and stop loss. This is how you play futures with only $3. With only $3, guys. Thank you for watching the video with me. And I hope you understand how I did this. If you gotta go back and keep doing it, It's up to you.